Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you my slime. Basically, it's like a glossy, fluffy slime. Guys, I'm gonna give you a hint. It's one of these colors. Is it either blue, red, or purple? I'll link it down below. If you get it right, you're gonna win slime, or maybe something else, I guess. So basically it's in this container and it's heavy and it says slime in it. Just ignore this one right here. Okay, let's open it. Guys, when I get it off, see, it sticks on the thing. Let me just get it off. Guys, on camera you can like literally see that it's purple, but actually it's not, it's blue. And I'm gonna dump it out. I really love what I did, because like, okay, let's just do it with her. Okay. Pretty big. You can't really see all of it, but let me fix the camera. That's better. Let's fix this one. Guys, you don't really need to see whatever because my camera is so bad. Hope you enjoyed this video. So it's just the one that always comes in here, and these are yeah. So guys, I just came back from my class. We have a weekend. It's not like school, I mean, it's like a lesson. Just gonna put the camera. So always do this, guys. Like, I think that's good. Just gonna bring it here. Okay, guys. I think you can see it now. Because let's do some ASMR. Guys, I love going slow because you can like actually feel like more texture. So guys, see, if like I keep it like this, if I keep it like this for a while, look what will happen. This bubble always comes up. See. Sorry guys for like my sounds. So currently always like this. So guys, thanks for watching, and remember, hit that subscribe button. Bye.